So the guys from Ice Blast Works is back. We're gonna be blasting some dirty spots on my car. This area right here, that black spot. Over here, we got the JDM Integra front bumper that's super dirty. And I don't even wanna bother trying to clean this out with a brush and all that stuff. So you see that right there, some rust right there. The back is ridiculously dirty. And then also my core support that I've been working on, it's still a little bit grimy, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna blast the front and the back. That way it's prepped for welding. So let's get going.